welcome back to my channel. So I changed my channel's name from It's My Chicken to officially Ava. And this is my first slime video. Enjoy. So for making slime you'll need white glue, a bottle of activator, that's not hand gel, okay, and a bowl and a mixing tool. So right now I'm taking my glue and unscrewing the lid to pour it into the bowl. And I'm emptying the container out. I had very little glue, by the way, that's why there was a really little amount of slime. And if you guys don't know how to make activator, and you can buy it from the store or from online or anywhere, let me know in the comments down below so that I can show you a video to make activator at home. And I decided to make my activator in a used hand gel bottle so it's easier to carry it around wherever I go, wherever I feel like making slime. Now I just poured in some water into it and I'm mixing it with the mixing tool. I shouldn't have added in the water because, you'll see at the end. By the way, I used white glue to make the slime here, so you can use any type of glue, glitter glue, clear glue, white glue, any type of glue, so yeah, as long as PVA is in there. And the activator that I'm using here is just borax mixed in water, which I will show a video if you guys do not have activator at home. You can also use laundry detergent to activate your glue. So now I'm just mixing this up, and of course this will not become slime in the first try, so you gotta keep mixing and blend everything well. It's still looking loopy and watery, so I added more activator in. The type of white glue that I use required a lot of activator, so it's not going to get overactivated, don't worry. Finally, it started lumping kind of together because I added in lots of activator. While making slime, you should be always careful because there's a high chance that your slime can get overactivated if you add in too much activator. But in my case, the type of glue was very, very watery and it did not activate really fast. So I had to add in loads of activator. So I'm still mixing it up. It's kind of thick, but it's still not slime. So finally it started coming together more, and I kept mixing it. In this point, you've seen some YouTubers like go in with their hands and just mix it up and start playing with it at this point. But I didn't want to do that because I'm not really fond of going in and just starting to play with it when it's still sticky. So I just decided to mix it with my spoon. Then I started going in with my hands because I thought it was finally ready. And so here's the slime. So I moved the bowl aside, and what I got was a very, very jiggly white glue slime, and I wasn't expecting for a jiggly slime because the amount of water that I added in was very, very less. But it was just super jiggly. Just stick on the table, so that was kind of annoying, but that's usually what jiggly slimes do. I decided not to add any coloring because I did not mind. I decided to hold my camera from the top so that you guys can see the slime better. Did you guys hear that water jiggle though? To be honest, your table or wherever you're playing the slime with, it will get messy, so I'm, just telling you that. This problem can be solved if you store your slime for about 2 to 3 days and then it, dries up. It did not have any poke effect or any bubble pops because it wasn't just, thick enough, and it's a jiggly slime, so can't really ask for that. And so I just kept jiggling it with my hand, Sounds exactly like water, like you're playing with water. Bye guys, love you guys so much, and see you guys in my next video, and hope you guys are safe at home. Have a nice day.